Today, we're making a classic Victoria sponge cake. Light, fluffy, buttery, and filled with delicious strawberry jam and whipped cream. 200 grams unsalted butter, softened 200 grams castor sugar, 4 large eggs, 200 grams self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons milk, 4 tablespoons strawberry jam, 150 milliliters whipped cream, powdered sugar for dusting. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, beat the softened butter and sugar until pale, light, and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Now add the vanilla extract. Sift in the self-rising flour and baking powder. Gently fold everything together. Add the milk and mix until you have a smooth, soft batter. Grease and line 2 20-centimeter round cake pans with parchment paper. Divide the batter evenly between the pans and smooth the tops. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cakes are golden and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool completely before assembling. Place 1 sponge cake on a serving plate. Spread a generous layer of strawberry jam over the top. Add the whipped cream and spread it evenly. Place the second sponge cake on top. Dust the top generously with powdered sugar. Slice and serve this beautiful classic Victoria sponge cake with a cup of tea or coffee. The result is a soft, fluffy sponge with sweet strawberry jam and creamy filling. A perfect classic dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, subscribe, and share for more delicious homemade desserts.